Hello, it's Word of a Mom here today with you, and today I have something I'm very excited to show you, and it's different than my usual shoe videos, so I figured I would branch out into more like beauty products and stuff. So here I have this, I think it's pronounced Shany beauty box. It is called the Carry All Beauty Case. I almost thought it was a crystal because it's actually like a see-through case. It comes with all these neat things. It makes for a great gift for Christmas. I wish I would have reviewed this before Christmas so you guys could have gift this for somebody for Christmas. But as always, you can always check out this video next year, and I'll leave a link below so you can find this. But let's check out what's inside. So here, opening, you get your classic bubble wrap, so it's secure, nothing is gonna break. And here is the case out of the box, and you can see all different sides. You can see that it has lipsticks and lip liners. There's like a little mirror, and I think those are like pencil sharpeners. You have your eyeshadows, your lip gloss, and a couple utensils, although I would use my own preferably. And I think these are more eyeshadows. Here what looks like we have like a bronzer. I'm not sure what this is. We're about to find out. And these look like blushes. And at the top, there is also some things. And let's open it up and find out. So when you first open the crystal box or the clear case box, there is a little note inside. Let's go ahead and check it out. It is just a little thank you note from the company for buying their product. Links to their social network and that kind of stuff. And also, like, it shows you where you can follow them in their hashtag. I thought was very cute to include. And the first layer is a nail polish set. You have 3 different colors. Right here it looks like it's a filing brush, and the separators for your toes, and like little Q-tip, or not Q-tips, little toothpick guys for doing details on your nails. And you got your cuticle pusher and things like that. So that is very cute. Everybody loves a little nail polish. In the center, they have like this crazy silver box. It's just hollow. And then I guess it's so that way they could display what comes in the box. And then that way you can add your own makeup. So it's not just, wasted space. It's so that way you could put more of your own makeup in it. I guess this is all, hopefully I don't drop it. This is all a connected piece. So we'd have to individually take things out. But this is all that comes in besides the nail polish I just showed you. And there's very vibrant and pretty colors, as you could tell. So let's start checking these out. First, let's get rid of this crazy weird silver box. I don't know, I guess it could be a display for Christmas, who knows. And here is what the box looks like without anything in it, so that way you could put things inside of it. I do wish there's maybe like some drawers or something, or maybe some shelving of some sort so you can organize a little better. Otherwise, it's just like a box, just throw your makeup in there. It is nice that it's see-through so that you can see when you're digging around for your makeup, but I would have liked to see more organization. Let's check out one of the most fun parts of this box, the lipsticks. Here we have a nice like pink color. Let's try this one on. So what do you guys think? This is a very pretty color. Let's see if it has a name. Well, it really just says lipstick, so there's not really a name to it, I don't think. Unless you look like really close. Oh, I think it has a number, which I can't see. So there's lipstick number 1. And here is lipstick number 2. Now let me just wipe this one off so you can see this one. So here's lipstick number 2. This is more of a reddish color. The last one was more pink. I prefer this one. This one's very pretty. What do you guys think? The third color is more of a light brown. I don't know if this would actually look good on me, kind of like a pasty color. So I don't know if I want to try this one on or not. But it does look pretty. Let's put it on right here. It's more of a gloss than it is a lip color, I would say. And then also you have your lip liners right here, and they kind of match the colors it came with, like your pencil sharpeners, and you have a little mirror so you can see what you're doing. And here are some pretty eyeshadows. I love that they included a few lighter colors, because for some reason I don't think they have enough light colors in eyeshadow palettes lately. I don't know if you've seen like the nude colors and stuff that they have out there, the palettes that they have. There's never really a highlighter, a highlight white or a light color for your palette, and I really enjoy the lighter colors. Then here's your, I believe these are lip glosses, and you know, utensils to use them with. And this is like a bronzer. Let's check out what this little goodie is. I was kind of wondering what this one was. Well, all the excitement was for nothing. It is just a little compact case to carry your stuff in with a little mirror. Here I thought it was going to be like, you know, a little extra makeup palette or something like that. But I guess you could put all your little pieces of your eyeshadow blenders and stuff like that in here. Here are your blushes. There's a few other darker colors in this, but since I have lighter skin, I'm going to try out the lighter colors. I got one of my favorite brushes here. This is actually Brushmaster, as one of my favorite brush companies. I will also include a link to Brushmaster down below because these brushes are just to die for. I love them. Okay, so we just pat here and we try it out here. I know my eye makeup is not that great today, but I had a rush because my kids were all up and I had to get them ready too. So, well, as you can see, it's just like a light paste color, and I think it's very pretty. Let's see if this one, it just says blusher on it. It doesn't, again, doesn't have a name, but it's always good to have, you know, like backup blushes and things like that. And of course, follow me so you can check out more beauty products and clothing and shoes and stuff like that that I have to show you. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing and review on this makeup from Shany Cosmetics, and I will include a link below so that way you could check them out and their other products they have on Amazon and on their personal website, so that way you can either get the same box or a different one because they have different varieties. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and to follow my social networks, Word of Mom, on Twitter and on Instagram. Thank you so much.